If you're juggling clients, projects, invoices, and deadlines, chances are your workflow's a mess. That's where Freelance Business OS steps in. It's a Notion system built to help freelancers get back in control. Let's take a look. This Notion template is made for freelancers and solo professionals. Whether you're a designer, developer, copywriter, or consultant, looking to simplify the way you manage work, clients, and money. Welcome to the main dashboard. As we scroll through, notice the intuitive layout. On the left side, you have quick access functions like timer controls, quick action buttons, and streamlined page navigation. Moving to the right, you'll see your tasks view, projects, meetings, clients, finance, and resources sections, giving you a complete overview of your freelance business operations in one place. Now, let's explore each section in detail. One standout feature is the ability to start a new timed task instantly using the timer controls on the left. Start and stop timers with a single click, and time logs sync with your project's billing setup, so you'll know exactly how much you've earned from every task, automatically. Choose whether it's billable, link it to a project, and set client, status, and type. End all active tasks with one click. Use quick actions to instantly create projects, tasks, meetings, clients, invoices, income, or expenses, all without digging through menus. The side navigation keeps everything close at hand. To the right, you'll find your tasks, a clear view of what's in progress, started today, completed, or archived. Each task is linked to related projects and key details. Next, the Projects section shows progress, total time tracked, and linked tasks. See what's in progress, overdue, or upcoming with calendar views, and filter by status, priority, completed, or archived. Your Meetings section keeps both upcoming and past meetings visible, complete with agendas and linked client details for context. Scroll further to the client's database, centralizing details, related projects, and contact info. Switch between active, all, or archived lists. Then comes the Finance section, showing profit, income, and expenses. We'll explore these in more detail shortly. Finally, the Resources section keeps your notes, references, and important files organized and tagged for quick access. Let's take a closer look at each page in the side navigation. The Projects page gives you a clear overview of all your work. In Gallery View, you can instantly see the time spent on each project, track tasks alongside a visual progress bar, and start a new task directly from this page. View overdue projects in List View, filter by status and priority, and sort tasks by project for easy organization. View upcoming due dates in timeline or calendar formats, quickly browse completed and archived projects, and get an at-a-glance snapshot of high-level project finances. Opening a specific project reveals a clear bird's-eye view with status, due date, client, and the option to start a new task instantly. You can also set a default hourly rate so that any tasks created under that project automatically inherit it. If you prefer a fixed price, simply enter the total amount in the fixed price field instead. Click the three-dot menu to access deeper insights, including the total tasks currently running for the project, upcoming scheduled meetings, total time spent, financial summaries, and other key details. This page also features a new tabbed layout, allowing you to switch between related databases, such as client details, tasks, meetings, invoices, income, and expenses, without leaving the project view. Returning to the overview and scrolling down, you can explore related tasks in both board and table formats, giving you a clear and flexible way to visualize your work. The Tasks page keeps all work front and center. At the top, active and upcoming. The Gallery Tasks view gives you an overview of what's in progress. See active tasks started today, or recently started and ended. The Tasks by Project view groups all tasks according to their associated project, providing clear visibility of where your time is being allocated. Each task entry displays its billable status, total time tracked, and current status. The billable task log automatically calculates earnings based on your hourly set rates and keeps all billing data in one place. Task History maintains a comprehensive record of completed work, with each entry linked to its relevant projects and tasks for seamless tracking. You can view all tasks in both list and table formats for flexible organization. Opening a task reveals all key details, including deadlines and billable status, plus the ability to end the task, see its related project, and note when it was started and completed if finished. You can also view its status, task type, and a roll-up of all other tasks linked to that project. And the familiar tabbed layout, like in the Projects view, lets you switch between connected databases without leaving the task. Clicking the three-dot menu for a task opens additional options, including the ability to set a custom hourly rate for that specific task. If no custom rate is set, the billable amount is calculated using the project's hourly rate, with the billable total updating instantly. The Client section keeps all client information organized in one central hub. At the top, active clients are displayed in a clean gallery view, showing linked projects and giving you the option to start a new project instantly. Below that, the All Clients and Archived list provides a quick reference of every client in your database, with filters to toggle between active and archived clients. The Type and Status board view allows you to assess your client portfolio and workload distribution at a glance. Clicking into a client opens their full profile, which includes company details, contact information, client type, and status. You'll also find their job title and other essential contact information such as phone number, address, website, and social media links. From here, you'll also find related projects, tasks, meetings, invoices, income, and expenses, all neatly linked. The detailed client page also includes tabs for switching between different contexts, just like in the Projects and Tasks views, so you can easily move between their project history, invoices, and meeting notes without leaving the profile. On the right-hand panel, you'll also see extra context, such as the client's preferred contact method, the last time they were contacted, their most recent meeting, and the total number of meetings logged. This makes it easy to keep track of your communication history alongside their project details. The Invoices section centralizes all your billing in one place. At the top, invoice records are grouped by project, giving you a clear view of what's been billed, what's pending, remaining balances, and options to archive completed invoices. Switch to the All tab to see your complete invoice history. The Timeline view lets you track upcoming due dates and quickly spot overdue invoices through intuitive calendar and list displays. Below that, the Status board helps you manage invoice stages, from draft and sent to paid or overdue, so nothing slips through the cracks. The Table overview provides a detailed breakdown of every invoice, showing linked clients, related projects, billable roll-ups from tasks, issue and due dates, payment status, and whether it's fully paid. Clicking into an invoice opens a detailed record. Here you'll see the final invoice total, income received, remaining balance, and a progress bar showing payment status. The tabbed layout mirrors other sections, letting you switch between related projects, clients, tasks, and income without leaving the invoice. On the right-hand panel, you'll find additional context, including total time spent on the project, payment links, billable roll-ups, and linked tasks, making it easy to confirm exactly how each invoice was generated. The Finances hub brings your money picture into one place. Up top, the profit chart shows earnings by project over time. See profit for each project, broken down into total income, expenses, and net profit. Below the profit chart, the Income section displays table views of your income items. Sort by project to see income specifics at a glance, or use the tabbed views to explore by source, source type, invoice payments, and archived records. Let's look at an income entry. At the top, you'll see the source type, amount, linked project, and associated invoice. Below that are the date paid, receipt, and notes. Clicking the three dots reveals the total billable amount for this project, the source, and the invoice payment amount. In expenses, log every cost against the right project and client. Categorize entries with the amount, date, project, client. Add notes and attach receipts. Use the By Project view to see where your spend is going and view archived expenses. Opening an expense item, you'll see the related project, amount, category, and date, plus any receipts uploaded and notes you've added. The Meetings hub pulls every call, review, and kickoff into one clean place. Up top, Current and Upcoming lets you scan today's calls, what's coming next, or switch to a full month calendar. The Status Overview board shows what's scheduled, completed, and canceled. Drag to update status instantly. Down below, History and Archive gives you a searchable record of past meetings, linked to the right client and project for instant context. Open a meeting and you'll see everything at a glance. Date and time, project, client, status, meeting type, location, or Zoom link, plus contacts and an agenda section for notes. The familiar tabs let you switch between meeting overview, client, projects, and tasks without leaving the page. The right panel keeps key details visible, meeting time and duration, attachments, notes, and links to related tasks or invoices, so you can prep, run, and follow up all in one place. Resources is your digital filing cabinet. Capture quick links and assets in Inbox and Favorites. Keep everything organized in Full List and Archive with tags you can filter and mark as favorites. Use board views to track status, queued, in use, or filed, and filter by category or type to refine what you see. Open any item to view its sources. Add a link, upload a file, and connect it to a project directly. Choose a type and category, then set its status. If you're ever unsure how something works, the built-in help guide gives you a full overview of the system. It's organized into toggles, covering features, database breakdowns, tips, and advanced suggestions, so you can quickly understand how the template fits together and make the most of it. If you have feedback, questions, want to report a bug, or share ideas to improve the template, the built-in feedback and contact section makes it simple to reach out. You'll also find direct links to my website, Notion Store, email, Gumroad Store, and YouTube channel, all in one place. Ready to take charge of your freelance work? Grab the full Freelance Business OS today. Links in the description. And if this walkthrough gave you ideas, hit like and subscribe for more Notion templates and productivity tips.